In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a video sharing website in Wix Corvid by Wix.com tutorial. Let's jump right into the Wix editor for your site. Once you're in the editor, look to the left toolbar and click the Add button, the plus icon, to open the Elements panel. From there, select Video and Music. If the panel collapses or you don't see the subcategories at first, click Video and Music again to expand it. Start by adding Wix Video to your page. Clicking it inserts a full-featured video player that supports channels, subscriptions, and more. Next, explore the styling options by adding a video mask. Masks give your videos creative shapes and frames, which can make your layout feel more polished. You can also add a video box for a clean, modern container with playback controls. If you want to layer visual effects, click Video Mask again to try another style on a different clip or section. To add some motion accents, insert a transparent video. These are pre-cut videos with no background, perfect for subtle overlays that don't block your content. Now, complement your video section with audio elements. Click Audio Players to add an on-page player, then choose Wix Music to showcase tracks or albums from your own library. For an external call to action, insert the iTunes button so visitors can find your audio on that platform. Place these elements thoughtfully so your page remains clean and easy to navigate. Return to the Video and Music panel, choose Wix Video again, and this time, select Grid. The grid layout is ideal for a video sharing site because it displays multiple videos at once, just like a channel gallery. Position and resize the grid so it becomes your main content hub. With your layout in place, click Manage Videos on the Wix Video element. This opens your video manager where you can organize content. Click Upload Video Files to add your videos, drag and drop works, and files up to 15 GB are supported. Larger, high-quality files may take longer to process, so give uploads time to finish before moving on. When your videos appear in the list, you're set. Close the manager to get back to the editor, then head to the top right and click Publish. After Wix finishes publishing, click Done to wrap up. You've just assembled a working video sharing website using built-in Wix tools, complete with a video grid, styled video elements, and audio integrations. From here, you can find